Hello, Algebra 2 students. Just wanted to give you a quick update of a couple new links that we've added to your Canvas page. So if you go into the course for period 2 and period 3, we added two new links, and I'm going to go over on old one real quick. So if you're having trouble with Matthew, make sure you complete this Matthew help request. So email me so that I know how to reset or assist you if you're having trouble with that. This is a new form that we created. It is a make-up work form. So if you are in the process of making up assignments, we are asking that you fill out this form so we know to grade it. So ask for your first name and last name, who your math teacher is. If you are period 2, you're going to choose my name. I have been handling period 2 in this online learning. And if you're in period 3, you're going to choose Mrs. Basic's name. That will send a notification to either of us that you've completed an assignment. From there, you're going to tell us which platform you submitted the assignment on. So were you making up Matthew workspaces? Was it a Desmos activity? Was it a quiz or a test on Edulastic? Or was it just on Canvas? And then we want to know what the specific name of the assignment is so that when we go onto that platform, we know what assignment we're looking to regrade for you or update because you've completed it. Okay, so that is the makeup work form. Second thing I wanted to announce is that we have changed the number of workspaces for Mathia. We took away 5 workspaces that we are not going to get to because of virtual learning. So we should be done with Mathia Mondays by mid-May. Your last workspace will be due the 17th of May. So you can see there are 5 that were here. Now we're down from 70 to 65. Please keep up with those so that you are not at a rush at the end to complete them. We are both here to help you, Mrs. Basic and I, so communicate, schedule Google Meet. There's tutoring available. We are here to support you. All right, that's all the updates I have for you. Please make sure you keep working hard, be positive, and reach out.